Hey, have you ever wondered in Fairview, Tennessee, what a 5-bedroom, 5 full bath house gets you for just under $975,000? Well, we're going to take a look at this unique design feature today and let me know what you think. Hello everybody, I'm Jack LaRon, your Nashville area real estate agent. My phone number is right here. Please call or text. If you have any questions about this property that I'm showing you today or anything else that I may have shown you on my previous videos, we're in Fairview, Tennessee today. The City of Fairview tour is down below, as well as the schools, the park, and the recreation center. And there's a lot of building going on here at Fairview, and we're in a recently finished constructed house in a community that only has 4 inventory homes left and 5 lots to build. But I have access to the next phase being built, and you can get some pre-orders in on that one if you like what you see here today. So again, this house has a very unique design feature. We're gonna walk through that and point that out to you as we do a walkthrough tour of this beautifully constructed home. And let me know what you think. We're gonna start here at the front door and move on through the rest of this property. Again, 5 bedrooms, 5 full baths, 1 half bath, just under 3,400 square feet. Just under $975,000. And yes, the builder will compensate me to work with you as the buyer of this home to get you in this beautifully constructed home. Come on, let's go take a look. Okay, as we enter this beautiful foyer, we're gonna go to the right here, and we notice our first full bathroom. Nice slate colored tile on the floor, tile up the wall. Looks like there's about 12-foot ceilings in this particular bathroom. Black finish out for the faucets and the pools and the handles. We have right here to the right, linen closet. They did use wire racks, not a big fan of that. And then if we go right, we're into one of our first bedrooms. Kind of on the smaller side, but it does have a closet. In this closet, again, it looks pretty spacious. Again, we have tall ceilings. We have cased trim around the doors as well as case trim around the windows. Nice hardwood floors, and again, large ceiling. There's a lot of volume in this particular room. Again, one of 5 bedrooms. This is the first one right when you come in the front door off the foyer. Now we're gonna go back down the foyer, and we're gonna take a right into your dedicated office space. Notice the French doors. Again, the black finish out on the door hinges as well as the handles. In this room, we actually have a coffered ceiling with recessed lights. That's pretty unique. And then we have trim wainscoting around the wall with outlets. Again, we have your Ethernet cables as well as plenty of power outlets. I'm a big fan of that in the office because I don't know the configuration of how I'm gonna set my desk up. We got 2 windows here overlooking the side yard of the house. Again, trim case around the windows. Nice trim package around the wall here. Plenty of outlets. And again, we walk out of the office. Directly across the hallway in the foyer, we have your utility room on the left side. That's got the black slate. We've got on the right side, we've got your mudroom access with your hanging for coats, a little bit of shelving. Utility room. Did a really good job in here of putting in cabinets with a backsplash, washer, dryer, a prep sink for those hard to get out stains. Looks like they've got some sort of water access here, maybe for a second fridge, which is pretty cool. Yeah, that would be for a second fridge. That's pretty neat. Then we walk into a 3-car garage. Nice and spacious in here. Plenty of room for your car and your toys. Nice cutout here in the back. Maybe you set up a little workout area, throw some mirrors on the wall. You've got plenty of natural lighting in that space. Nice tall ceilings in here. You could definitely set up a golf simulator and swing the golf club freely. We do have a tankless water heater over here on the left wall. We see this a lot with builders where they put these metal posts in to prevent anybody from like backing and running into it because that would cause some damage. But tankless water heater. We come in the garage through the same door we came out of. To the left, we have a closet. It has all of your particulars in it for your Ethernet cables and your security system. So back to the left, we're going to go into the main living area. Here's the kitchen, pendant lighting, island that you can put at least 4 bar stools around, designated dining area, plenty of windows, both full and partial windows. We have a nice tile backsplash with some cream colored cabinets with a built-in microwave. Again, sort of that darker color pool system on all the pools. 5 burner gas top range. Really nicely done. Stainless steel with the black grate. Let's take a look at the pantry right quick. See what size pantry we got. Where's the light? Oh, here it is. So arms sticking out. I can actually touch the sides of the walls here. So not the deepest pantry, but they did put in built-ins. We got your refrigeration space, and what I love, we got a double oven. Love the double ovens. So let's walk out now to the patio space, and then we'll come into the living room and into the master suite. Walk out to the patio, it's covered. They did some finish out on the ceiling along with the crown molding, added a ceiling fan, really nicely done, stained to match the post. Nice railing, concrete, some whitewashed brick. Got a built-in gas fireplace with a push start flame initiator. And we have a built-in over the mantle for TV with wired connection. And this beautiful backyard that backs up to the retention pond for the community. That's where they collect a lot of the water runoff. We have rain, and we have had some decent rain here recently. Again, plenty of outlets, nice breeze blowing through this. As we come in from the patio, we go to the right to the living room. You can see the beams, faux beams in the ceiling. Nice kind of wagon wheel design on the chandelier. And then we have this magnificent fire insert. Again, this is going to be gas. We have the key for the gas started over here on the right in the floor. And then halfway up, we have the cabling for your TV setup. I'd be very careful if you're going to put a wall mount into this tile to pre-drill your holes. Otherwise, you're going to crack this tile. That's not going to be good. And then we have a built-in section over here for your shelves that also will house your components so that you can set your components for your TV over here on the right and run the wire through in behind this insert. We've got, it looks like a smart thermostat device here. This is called an Echo Beast. It looks like a smart device. Through the living room on the left side, we have the guest bathroom. So this is the half bath that I mentioned to you earlier. It's the only half bath in the entire house. We come out of that and immediately go into the master suite. As soon as we come in the master suite, we're in the master ensuite. Tile floor, kind of a neutral color on the vanities. Again, the dark pools with the dark faucets, dark handles on the shower, pendant lighting matching the same thing. We've got a shower with nice tile on it, and then a freestanding soaking tub with a window, glazed window with some natural light coming into it. To the left, we've got the toilet room. Again, nice tall ceilings, and then we go into this massive closet. I mean, you could actually have like a dance party in here. This is a pretty decent size. So for all you ladies out there, you've got your really good master closet. All you guys out there, maybe there's space in the house for your stuff. So let's walk out of the master suite. We have a linen closet here on the left. Again, built-in shelves, none of the wire stuff. Very tall doors. I'm 6'3", with my hand stretched, reach the top of the door. To the left, we've got a coffered ceiling for the master suite with recessed lighting and this pendulum hanging over what I would presume would be your bed. Nice large windows that overlook the backyard with plenty of natural light. The presumption is you would have your bed against this wall. So you see we have an outlet on each side, which would fit a master bed in between, so you could put lamps on each side. Nice baseboard around the bottom, shoe molding, inlet for the air. Nice tall ceilings in here. I'm guessing they're about 12 feet because they're really up there. We come out. So that's 2 full bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms downstairs plus the half. Now we're gonna go check out the unique design feature upstairs. So we come up these stairs, and immediately when you get to the top of the stairs, we come to this bonus area. And this bonus area, if you notice, has a little sink in it. I wouldn't call it a kitchenette because there's no fridge, there's no dishwasher, but you could put a mini fridge probably here to the left. You got a wine rack built in for the hanging wine glasses. You've got quiet close on the cabinets, which is probably the same throughout all of it. Water hooked up for your sink, but you could have your little bar area here as you set up. And they have this wall, again, pre-wired, both high and low for your entertainment system on this wall. And then if we go down a small hallway, we're gonna find 1 additional master or ensuite, because this particular bedroom, if you notice, has its own bathroom. So this is 1 of 2 additional en-suites upstairs. So the closet's built into the bathroom. You've got tub to ceiling tile, a single sink vanity, tile on the floor. And again, everything matches from the pools to the faucet system to the shower head to the towel rack, all that black finish. And then as we come out of this bedroom, if we go to the right here, we have some additional storage. It's got a wall up, it's got light, it's got floor in it. Again, this is something that can be finished out for additional storage, hanging shelves, or a timeout room. And then if we go across this bonus room and go left, what we find here is the second ensuite upstairs. So this is a full bedroom here with its own bathroom, similar to the one across the bonus room on the other side. Tub to ceiling tile, single vanity sink, matching shower head, faucet, cabinet pulls, doorknobs. So you have 2 identical en-suites upstairs where the bathrooms are built into the rooms. This one's closet is actually across the room versus being in the bathroom. And then if we go across the hallway, on the left we'll find another full bathroom, tile floor, single vanity sink, or single sink vanity. Again, tub, tile to ceiling, love that. And then the 5th bedroom, which that bathroom would support, is here on the right. Large closet with a built-in window for natural light. But this would be the only full bedroom upstairs that does not have the bathroom built into it. So again, 5 bedrooms, 5 full baths, 1 half bathroom, just under 3,400 square feet, just under $975,000 in Fairview, Tennessee. The builder is compensating me to work with you as the buyer. If you have any questions on this property, I'm going to shoot some aerial of the actual community. It's a 1-lane road with a cul-de-sac. Then they're about to open up phase 2 where these particular models will be built as well too. I look forward to working with you. My phone number is right here. I hope you enjoyed this tour. Leave any comments, questions, or ideas below. I'll respond to them. But I'm Jack LaRon, your Nashville area real estate agent, and it's been a joy showing you this house today.